welcome back to Easy Nails, your one-stop shop for easy, affordable nail tutorials. So here I'm using Happy Gel. This is Polygel from eNail Couture, and the color is Good Pink. And I like this Polygel. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. It's a really pretty medium toned pink with lots of pearl shimmer to it. So I love this color, but it is not the easiest polygel to work with. It's a little bit sticky, but if you have some patience, you can get gorgeous nails from it. I just get it because I absolutely adore this color. It is a really gorgeous, again, like a medium pink with a pearlescent finish. I think it'll look beautiful on absolutely any skin tone. So today we are just going to be doing some polygel nails with tips, and then we are going to do some really fun Mr. and Mrs. Bride and Groom water decals. So that's going to be super, super fun. So if you are interested, keep on watching. And as always, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to join the family. I show you guys how to create super fun, easy, and affordable nails, and I would love it if you would subscribe. And as always, you guys, comment below any questions, anything you would like to see, just to chat. I love to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and here you guys can see again, the consistency is not the best. It's a little bit sticky, but you guys can just see that absolutely gorgeous pearly pink color. This is right up my alley. I adore pinks and anything girly, so this pearly pink is just absolutely beautiful. And again, if you just work with it, it's not that bad to work with. It's just a little bit stiff. But I'm using a gel brush here, you guys, and I am using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution. These tips are the same tips that I usually use. I will link everything down below. And I glued them onto my nails with KDS nail glue. And you guys, I usually don't include prep in my videos, but prep for these is super easy. Just push back your cuticles, slightly run a 180 grit hand file or sanding band across your nails just to rough them up a little bit. Then use a dehydrator. You can also use acetone or rubbing alcohol. Apply a primer, and then when you are doing polygel nails, you will need to do a layer of base gel. So any base gel you have, cure that, and then you guys can go right in with your polygel. And you guys can see this gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'm living for this beautiful pink shimmer color. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And that glitter that I used before, you guys, is from Glitter Planet UK, and it is called Rainbow Bouquet. It is really just a beautiful hexy glitter, and it is iridescent. So beautiful, beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy this nail look. Again, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and I will let you guys keep on watching. So you guys, these are the water decals that I have, and I got these from AliExpress. I got them a few months ago, so I'm really not sure if they are still selling them, but you guys can use any decals you guys would like on these. And water decals, you guys, are a little bit tricky to work with. Basically just practice at it. Everybody has their own technique to doing it. I found that it is nice to put a base or a top coat down on your nails and then place those water decals on top of them just so that they don't move around. And basically you want to cut out your water decal, cut out the design, and then there's a little bit of clear transparent piece on top of that, so peel that off. Then you're going to stick it in water for about 30 seconds to a minute. Pick it up and you're going to see that that design is going to slide right off of that paper backing. So you can either slide it off with your finger, which I found was pretty nice, and then I just placed it into that wet gel so it stuck pretty nicely. Or you can use a tweezer tool like I have here to pick up, to just slide off that decal from the backing. So that's about it for water decals, you guys. And especially with these super small and fine detailed ones, I suggest to use the tweezers. I thought it was easier to move around, make sure everything is straightened out, and it really helped me having that layer of gel on the nail because the decal just stuck to it right away. So super easy tip there for you guys. And I cured that, of course, and then I'm going in with my final layer of top coat here, and I'm absolutely loving these Mr. and Mrs. nail decals. They are just so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next time. As always, I'm Easy Nails. Bye.